All right, today we're going to look at the last three intervals to cover, at least for now, and that would be the minor seventh, major seventh, and the octave. So a minor seventh here, you can see the abbreviation is a little m and a 7. That's 10 half steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 brings us to a G. And remember, important point that some students get this wrong. You don't start counting 1 right here. You haven't gone any distance yet. So you count 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay. So this A to G, that would be your minor seventh. A to G sharp is 11 half steps. And that would be the major seventh. Uppercase M and a 7 would be your major seventh. And then the last interval here would be A all the way up to A. So 12 half steps. The A going to the same note A, that would be the octave. Most of the time, in my experience, this is going to be called the octave. However, the abbreviation, because nothing can be simple and straightforward in music theory, the abbreviation is P8, which really means a perfect eighth. But I rarely hear anybody call the octave a perfect eighth. And that's why it's confusing. They couldn't just put an O. They had to say perfect eighth or P8 for the octave. So there you have it. These are your intervals. And this is what you need to have this memorized right here. All that information should be memorized. Another little thing that you can do is play the octaves on the guitar. Just play A to B and listen to what those intervals sound like. You know, A to B flat, A to B, A to C. Listen to what those intervals sound like, and because they all have kind of a different flavor, a different sound. And it's important not just to know that, you know, A to D is a perfect fourth, but actually to know what that interval actually sounds like.